Jamusha Travels is back, and today we'll share to you our Hilton Manila experience.
Welcome December to Hilton Manila. So thank you again for the warm welcome. They have give us a wine and of course our anniversary cake, which we will truly enjoy. And some munchins. Yeah, looks good. Let's try one. Chocolate. And some pear and oranges. So, see you and I'll see you in the rest of our stay. Bye-bye. Hi, so punta na tayo sa breakfast sa kusina. Sea Kitchen. See you later. Kusina dito. Hi, so nandito na tayo sa kusina. Ayan. So maganda dito, may Yakult. And maraming Filipino specialty like pancit hab-hab. Filipino sausage daw, hotdog. Tapos may balat. Ayan. Tapos marami silang Indian. So maraming choices.
Japanese,
Saka may play area pa sila for kids. Tapos may dedicated area rin for Hilton, Diamond, and Gold. Kaya lang di tayo doon West.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Pero okay lang. Malayo masyado Kalamama. Okay na rin. So, yun lang. Enjoy eating. Happy breakfast. Bye.
Ay, salmon.
Ito yung business ko. Pwede akong tatlong Saan mo gusto? Good evening. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Hilton Resort Pool. Yeah. So, it's shared between Sheraton and Hilton. Tapos, medyo party yung vibe, no? Kasi may bar doon. Yan. Tapos, ayan, may lap din, lap pool. And I think yung unique dito yung seawater, di ba? Tsaka, ano siya, fresh water. Parang minix nila. Tapos, yun natin. Medyo tama lang. Hindi ganun kalamig. Siguro medyo heated. Tapos may mga, ano sila, lounger. And, upuan for kids. Ayan, may kids playing area. So, bring your whole family. And dun sa mga couples, alam ko may ano dito, booth din. Diba? May mga booth din doon. Para sa mga chill-chill. So, ayun. Enjoy. Let's win. Let's go.
We came in late for the afternoon tea that day, so we'll fast forward and show to you our cocktail hours experience.
Welcome to Hilton Manila Lounge. So, ngayon, ang special nila is Indian tasting platter. So, meron siyang chicha tikka on naan bread with tamarind and raita, dal soup, chicken masala wrap, pani puri, garlic sauce. So, ano yan? Mekos-mekos. And for tonight's drink, gumawa ko ng Jambert's Mimosa. Tapos may items tayo from the charcuterie. Ano yun?
Charcuterie.
And yung favorite natin, adobo nuts and prawn. Patikim tayo ng itong soup muna. Sarap. Magaling yung Indian chef siguro. And syempre yung chicken masala.
It's
chicken
breakfast,
tikala.
Masarap yung ano nila.
Yun yung tatry ko tomorrow. So, may raita.
Sarap.
And ito yung veggie, ano ba ito? Veggie wrap. Ito pa yung raita. Ito tama rin to. Ito yung pani puri.
Harap din.
Sarap. Nangipa ako. Ngayon lang, enjoy. Hello! Welcome to room 901. So this is the double deluxe with full view of Hilton Manila. Ayan, so tour natin. So ayan, medyo maluwag naman yung space, no? It's around 45 square meters, no, in total. Tapos we have this beautiful, double bed. Ayan. Comfortable naman siya. So I think good for 4, no? Kung hindi naman kayo masyadong malaki. And marami na siyang, mga plugs, controls, ayan, nandyan na lahat. Tapos, TV nila, yan, 65-inch yata. Tapos, yung working area, very, good for work from home, work from hotel. Tapos, meron tayong small space din dito for lounging. Tapos, ang maganda dito, ayan, kung mahilig kayo sa pool, ayan, may pool view. And kita rin konti yung airport dun. Pero slight na lang. And yung kabilang hotel, Sheraton. Ayun, tapos punta tayo sa restroom. Ito pala yung So, wala na rin silang minibar. Nilagyan na lang namin ng food. Pero pwede kayo mag-request. And for orders din, to your room, yan. Pwede ka rin mag-request dito. Tapos, sa, very generous sila, no, sa water din. 6 yung binigay. Tapos, ni-refill naman yung, natin, no.
So, this is our second night, no?
Second night na. First night kasi masyadong late na kami dumating. So, nandito yung safe. Open closet siya. Tapos may luggage space. And then, ayan, yung sleepers. Tapos, ito yung, may bathtub. So, malaki yung CR nila. Bathtub, shower area. Tapos, yung toilet.
Na may bidet.
Na may bidet. Yung importante doon. Tapos, lahat ng nga lang nila, hindi na single use. Which is okay din naman.
Pero meron pa rin sila nito.
Yan. May mga dental kit naman. So, bawal na kasi yung single use, plastics. Yan. Tapos kita ka rin from the bed. Yan dito. So, uso yung ganyan na medyo transparent. So, kung hindi kayo close nung kasama mo dito sa room, yan, i-close mo yung CR. Alright, so that's it. This is, again, the Double Deluxe Pool View Room of Hilton Manila. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye. Good morning. So, we're having the Hilton breakfast. So, ngayon nasa Diamond Gold Members area tayo. Since puno-puno yung buffet. Yan, dami rin kasing conference, Christmas party. So, okay din pag may status kayo. Kasi may exclusive place kayo dito sa Hilton. Ayun lang. Ayan, enjoy my coffee. Bye.
Bye-bye.
So, day 2 ng ating breakfast here at Hilton. Yan ngayon, tinry ko yung Indian, nila. So, ang daming veg option. Tsaka non-veg, meron din. Chicken masala, tsaka fish curry. Sarap naman. Ayun. Enjoy!
Ako naman, subukan ko yung Japanese. Tsaka mixture of everything.
How about?
For this evening, what do we have?
We have the Chinese tasting platter. Yan. So, dried fried hargao, rosel pea chicken, crab and enoki soup, gong samala, seaweed roll siomai. Mag-try natin tong hargao.
Hindi pala natin na na-shoot yung sa afternoon tea, pero it's okay. Your usual afternoon tea.
Top. Mukhang mahingi ako na.
Masarap yan. Okay, ano pa?
Bande natin tong chicken.
Ito, yung mo, utensils mo.
Chicken?
Ayaw. Sarap din.
Okay naman. Yung soup masarap din. Seaweed ba na?
Ayaw ko. Parang pickle something eh.
Hindi ba na? Ano yan?
Pickles nga ba?
Baka. Gone sa mala siguro. Ito yung seaweed roll siomai. Cheers!
So, anong masasabi mo sa ganitong
Ito yung
type?
din. Pigs in a blanket.
Pigs in a blanket? Bakit?
Ano
Hotdog
siya,
na may
may-
bacon.
Sausage with bacon.
And?
Sarap.
And ano pa? Yung sa tomato
Ito-
and something, no?
Tomato and mozzarella yata. Okay naman.
Okay naman.
Complimentary.
And yung mga favorites mo?
Puppet and adobo na.
Ano masasabi mo sa ganitong setup for
Mas
the
gusto ko
lounge?
siya kaysa yung buffet. Kasi sa buffet parang nakatakmog yung mga tao. Ito at least chill ka lang. Kuha ka ng drinks. Kuha ka ng finger food. Yan.
So, okay siya. No? Mas relaxed yung feels. Alright.
Yun lang.
Sige.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So now, try natin yung lounge breakfast. So, pwede ka mamili sa tapa, chicken tocino, daing, western, tsaka congee. Yan. So, try natin tong Filipino. So, mukhang masarap naman, no? Yung tapa nila. Kasi ang daming tao rin sa buffet. So, okay dito kasi tahimik lang. Wala masyadong tao. Ayun yung tayo itlog. Yung pala yung kulang. Yung daing nila, ayan, bagong luto. May taba pa. Okay. Tigin mo na. Konti lang yung rice. So, pag nag-diet ka, sakto lang. At may atchar. Tapos, shot tayo na orange carrot buso. Delicious. Yan lang. See you.
So that's the end of our Hilton Manila adventure. Likewise, a glimpse of the afternoon tea during our checkout. So again, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.